Next, we are going to see how one interface can extend another interface. So here we are creating one package. This is our package, and within this package, it's our new class, and I'm naming it as iFace1. This is going to be our main class. So here's our package name, and this is our main class. Till now, we have seen that interface is a way by which we can do multiple inheritance, and all the variables which we declare inside interface are by default final. We need to initialize them at the time of declaration, and all the methods we declare inside interface are abstract. We cannot define them within same interface. For that, we have to create a class. So here we are going to see how one interface can extend another interface. So I'm creating interface. For that, keyword is interface. Interface, here it will be interface name, and I'm naming it as iFace. So this is our interface name, and here within this interface I'm declaring two integer variable, integer a, to which I'm initializing it with 10, and b, for that I'm using 20. So these variables are final, so we have to initialize it here only. Then I'm creating one method, public void show data. This is a method. By default, it is abstract method. You cannot give definition to this method within this interface. So this is our first interface. Now here I'm creating one more interface and naming it as iFace2. Now, one class can extend another class. One interface can extend another interface. If a class is there, then that class can implement that interface. So here our interface name is iFace2, which extends iFace. iFaces, this iFaces this interface, and this is our new interface. And here within this, I'm creating one method, public void multiply. Here also we are not going to give definition to this method because interface methods are by default abstract. Now here we are creating one class and naming this class as 2. And this class is going to implement iFace, that is our first interface, comma iFace2, that is our second interface. And now in this class we have to give definition to both these methods which we have declared in interface, iFace1 and iFace2. If we are not defining these methods in this class, then this class needs to be abstract. So here is implements. Now here within this class, I'm defining our first method, that is public void show. Public void show, this is our first method to which we are giving definition here. And here we are saying here we are going to display the value of a and b which we have declared in the iFace interface. So value of a and b equals to plus, we need to give space in between, one space, and then we have to declare give the value of b. So this is going to show the value of a and b as 10 and 20. Now second, we are going to give definition to this method, that is multiply. So public void multiply. This is our method, and here system dot out dot println, and here it is multiplication of a and b is equals to a. So this method is going to do multiplication of a and b, that is going to give 200. Now here within this main method, main class, we have to create object of our class. We cannot create object of our interface, so we need to create object of this class too. So here we'll say 2, t2 is the name of our object, equals to new 2. So t2 is our object. Now with the help of this t2, we can call both of these methods. So t2 dot show, this is our first function for method call, and second is t2 dot multiply. So here is our method multiply. Save it. Here it is showing the error. It is showing add unimplemented method. First method is show data. Show data. I put wrong method name. Save it and then run it. It has given value of a and b equals to 10 and 20. This is this statement. It is printing the value of a as 10 and b as 20. And second is multiplication of two numbers. Multiplication of a and b is equals to 200. So this is our multiplication function, which belongs to this iFace2 interface.